Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be unboxing AirPods, the second generation, and don't forget it's 2024. First of all, let's get in and look at the box. We have both of the AirPods, the right one and the left one. We have the Apple logo and AirPods Pro. As you can see on the box, we have the tabs, we have the case, and some more info. And as you see, we've looked a lot at this box, but don't forget what we're gonna get inside. We still got those two AirPods that look so good and so exciting. Well, let's get into the real unboxing. We got the back with the tabs. Let's start by going to pull one. And the second one. As you can see, my cat here is also very excited to get in and look at these AirPods. Well, now we've opened the box. Let's get into it. Oh, I see it coming out on the back a bit. Suspense, guys. Suspense. We'll look at this a bit later. And we have the case. It's so shiny, I can't even technically describe how shiny it is. Oh, looks like there's another surprise down here. And for charging. Okay, so we've seen a lot of this box, but I will keep you with the suspense as we go through a bit more. So here is a little manual on how to use the AirPods. And I believe these are the tips, silicone tips that will go on the edge of the AirPods to fit your ears. And as you can see, I have another pair of AirPods here. How different in size they are. Definitely this one is wider than the older generation. Okay, well, let's get into this. We have plastic surrounding all of it. So as you can see, we have this bar here, and I'm just gonna pull it. As we have pulled it, it is now loose, I'm assuming, and we should just be able to take it out. Okay. Oh, I see. We have more to it. Okay. I guess they really did well wrap this thing. Now we have the shiny case. Just beautiful. We have the back. Sides. And the bottom. If you've seen a few other YouTube videos, it'll tell you that with these little speakers, it shows that these are the AirPods with the active noise canceling. So, yay! You can block out all those annoying sounds. Sorry, but he can kind of be meowing a bit too much. Should we get into this? Let's open these AirPods. So you can see the AirPods are still nice and shiny in there. The case is still really spacious. You can see the difference. So let's take out one of them. I don't know if I know how to grab this thing. Okay. So we have one of the AirPods. This is the left one. I like how they indicate which one is supposed to go where. We have the little silicone tip and these microphones, I believe. Yes. This is for some sound control. It's just so shiny. It's beautiful. Let's pair it with its twin. And you already have that little green glow, as you can see. Okay, so I'll tell you a bit about why these are here. Say you have your AirPods, you put them in, and they're too big. Then you can grab one of these silicone tips, get it sized down, I think, and then they can probably fit in your ears if you switch. Okay, well, let's do a little approval test. I think he approves. So we got all of that down. A lot of info, a lot of excitement. My favorite part about these is all of the suspense. You open the box and you don't get to them right away. And the little surprises. Well, everybody, I guess I'll have to conclude it right here. Bye!